Right now, in this very moment, you have the power to change your whole life. Life is an incredible adventure, and you are the creator of your reality. Your brain is an amazing tool, allowing you to create the life you've always dreamed of. The challenge we all have, though, as a human race, is being trapped by the limitations of our past. Your brain is like a storage device, capturing everything you've learned and experienced up to this point. In that sense, it acts like a record or a reflection of your past. So when you wake up to a new day with countless opportunities and different paths available to you, the first thing you do is engage your brain, which triggers neural circuits linked to past memories. You then start thinking about the challenges in your life, which are tied to specific people or situations. And each of these challenges is also associated with a specific emotion that's become embedded inside of you over time. Our thoughts serve as the voice of our brain, while feelings are the expression of the body. The way you think and feel basically shapes who you are. So if you continuously engage in the same repetitive thoughts and experiencing the same emotions, because our emotions are reflections of the past, this means most people wake up each day with their whole human existence being rooted in past experiences. And the thing here is that every thought carries a specific vibration and generates energy. It's common when someone faces a small challenge or an issue to end up feeling frustrated for hours later or even the whole day. But if a particular event in your life causes a lot of pain and forms a strong emotional connection to that moment, people can end up reliving the experience in their mind over and over, recreating the same feelings and emotions from the event many years into the future. If you are always thinking the same familiar thoughts, you are creating the same feelings, which means you're maintaining the same energy. As a result, your life remains unchanged. The only way to create real change is to shift your energy. And true transformation doesn't happen until energy changes. It's fair to say that your thoughts today, right now, will decide how your future plays out. But if you're unable to think beyond how you feel, and your emotions are driving your thoughts, since emotions are tied to past experiences, this means your thoughts are being derived from the past. As a result, you continue to create the same life. Many people are stuck in this cycle, living in autopilot. First thing in the morning, you pick up your phone, check your messages, scroll Instagram, take a picture of your coffee and post it online. This routine aligns to everything familiar in your life. Next, you move through a predictable set of repetitive actions each day. Waking up the same way, pouring a drink, brushing your teeth, choosing an outfit, the same morning rituals, commuting the same route to work, interacting with the same people who trigger the same feelings day after day. This repetition turns into an unconscious program, and before you know it, your thoughts have been replaced by habit. No one is imposing this routine on you, it's just happening automatically at this point. So people are looking for change, but life is just repeating itself like a broken computer program. But what if, right now, you choose to wake up? What if, in this very moment, you decided to break free from the automatic patterns running your life? The truth is, You are not bound by the past unless you choose to be. Your mind is powerful beyond measure, but it has been conditioned to follow the same neural pathways over and over again. The same thoughts, the same emotions, the same behaviors. This creates the same reality. But today, right now, you can interrupt that pattern. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. As you do, feel yourself stepping into the present moment, right here, right now. This is where all change begins. The past is just a collection of memories stored in your mind and body, but you are not your past. You are pure consciousness, capable of choosing new thoughts, creating new emotions, and setting a new course for your future. It all starts with awareness. Right now, I want you to become aware of the space around you. Feel the air on your skin. Notice the sounds in the distance. Become fully present in your body. Feel every cell in your body tingling. The awareness of where your arms and legs are right now, even with your eyes closed. The weight of your body sinking into your position. The more you bring your attention to the present moment, the more you detach from the automatic programs of the past. And when you do this, something incredible happens. You open the door to new possibilities. Your brain, once locked in rigid patterns, begins to rewire itself. Your energy starts to shift. And as your energy changes, so does your future. Now, let's take this even deeper. With your eyes still closed, imagine the best version of yourself. See yourself waking up in the morning feeling refreshed, excited, and deeply grateful for your life. Imagine moving through your day with confidence and purpose. Feel the joy, the inspiration, the abundance that comes with stepping into your true potential. This is not just a fantasy. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what is real and what is imagined. With regular meditation, you can guide your mind into a slower, more receptive state. One where your brainwaves shift and you'll gain access to the deeper layers of your subconscious. This is the space where true transformation happens, where old patterns can be rewritten and new possibilities can take root. By repeatedly entering this state, you reprogram your mind at its core with new beliefs, creating profound and lasting change from the inside out. Every time you embody these emotions, you are conditioning your body and mind to believe in this new reality. You are shifting your energy, tuning into new frequencies, and attracting new experiences into your life. And the more you do this, the more your external world will begin to reflect your internal state. This is the power you hold. This is how transformation happens. So, take another deep breath in and exhale. As you do, feel yourself aligning with the future you desire. You are no longer a prisoner of the past. You are the creator of your destiny. This isn't magic, this is real. And it all starts now.